welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the famous TikTok sushi salmon bowl that took the world by storm on TikTok, made famous by Emily Mariko. Emily, if you're watching, thank you so much for sharing with the world your beautiful TikTok. All of my friends are obsessed with it. I have yet to have tried it because I've been on meal preps, but now it's kind of like a cheat day to kind of indulge on this salmon bowl, which looks so yummy. I'm literally drooling because I want to eat it so bad. But let's begin with this TikTok famous sushi bowl made famous by Emily Mariko. Let me just say, this is so freaking easy. You just put all the stuff, mash it in a bowl, and eat it with some seaweed. That's just what it is. That's the real. But to make it, for those of you guys that don't know the ingredients, I have them right here. We have seaweed, aguacate, avocado, Kewpie mayo, Japanese mayo. We have sriracha, kimchi for the side, soy sauce, and furikake, and of course the star of the show, the salmon. Oh, and of course, my best friend growing up that made me plus size, rice. So with that being said, get all your ingredients, make this. It's gonna be very easy, super fast. I had a long day of filming today and working, so we're gonna go ahead and take the salmon and throw it into the air fryer right now.
It's already cooked.
Huh?
You could just say it's like leftover salmon.
Oh, yeah, she used leftover salmon, right? Because we're trying to be like relatable, right? Like TikTok. Okay, so we're gonna take our leftover salmon because the air fryer did not leave any grill marks. Thank you to Whole Foods. So yeah, we're gonna reheat like Emily because she's using leftovers. Yeah. How do you do this?
You can use the microwave.
Oh, we can? Well, doesn't matter? Oh, we should do it like her. Fuck the air fryer. You wanna get me like Emily in the TikTok? Should we make a TikTok? My phone. Give me like Emily, She pushes the salmon. We don't have to do it the exact same, I don't think. It's just gonna be mushed in the same bowl. There's so much pressure to be like Emily Mariko! Does she smush the rice? Put it in the rice? I'm just gonna fucking smush the rice, okay. Is it supposed to stay in the bag? No. Okay guys, now that the salmon has been heated, it's really hot, we're just gonna go ahead and mash everything in there. In her TikTok, she had the rice and put a piece of ice in it. Growing up Filipino, you either put like a moist paper towel, water, and cover the rice to heat it up. But since I wanted to make fresh rice, which is my absolute favorite, we're gonna go ahead and put the salmon and then the rice and then mix it all together. It's very easy. Anyone can do this at home. Oh, and by the way, if you're not following me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok at PatrickStarrr. Before I get banned again, separate story. Now all we're gonna do is just mash it to your heart's content. Y'all, I haven't had salmon in a minute. I've been on these meal preps. Also, if you have made this kind of rice, salmon, sushi bowl situation and you have a different take on it, please comment down below. I'd love to see and hear what you guys have made so I can try it on my next cheat day. Now listen, if you guys have dried rice at home that's been sitting in your fridge, like growing up, my mom will fry rice, stir fry rice, or you can make it into something like this. Don't waste your rice because we don't waste food around this house, as you can see. So next, we're gonna go ahead and mix in some soy sauce, Kewpie mayo, furikake, sriracha, lay over some avocado, pour some kimchi in a bowl for the side, and stir it all together. It's like Chipotle, but make it Japanese. Okay, this is what it should look like. Just mixed rice with some salmon and condiments. We have kimchi on the side. And what she did was she took a little bit of seaweed and she laid it on top. I've seen people like put the seaweed also like in front of their mouth and shove it in their mouth, which is good too, but I wanna try like this because it seems really good. But you're gonna lay your seaweed on top. You're gonna grab a little something, like this. And then you're gonna try it. So let's see what it tastes like. That's good. Okay. Anything for me with rice and a protein, whether that's carne, chicken, salmon, so good. It definitely has a Japanese flair. And to pair with some kimchi makes it the best. I love kimchi. All right, everyone, this is it. The TikTok salmon sushi bowl made popular by Emily Mariko. Be sure to check it out. Follow her. Subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see more TikTok videos like this. Yummy food tutorials here. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok. I love you guys so much and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.